Okay, so in order to make this whey, you need a bowl, a strainer, a cheesecloth, and a thing of yogurt. Now, you can probably get away without using a cheesecloth if your strainer is has very tiny holes, but mine doesn't, so I'm just going to put this cheesecloth in here. Okay, so once you have, and you want to use plain yogurt and not Greek yogurt because Greek yogurt is already strained. Okay, so all you want to do now is just take your yogurt and pour it in there. And once this yogurt is strained, it'll be Greek yogurt. So you just want to let it drain for, you can just let it drain for about a day in the refrigerator or until you have at least 1/4 a cup. So here is our whey. There we have it. That clear liquid is our whey. So I poured it in this bottle for easy storage. And then this is just Greek yogurt and you can eat it or whatever you like. So to make this soda, you need 1/4 a cup of whey, a soda bottle, and juice of choice. So all we're gonna do is pour the whey in the bottle and then fill it up with juice. You want to put the date on it and then you just want to let it sit for 3 to 5 days or until it's the type of fizziness that you like. Okay, so it is 3 days later and our soda is ready. I just want to mention that you do want to pop the cap on the soda bottles maybe like every day or every 12 hours, depending on how warm it is in your house. Also, I just wanted to share with you how this works. The bacteria in the whey feed off the sugars and stuff in the juice, and the byproduct of that is carbon dioxide, which makes the fizziness. Okay, it's time to pour our soda. Whoa. Ooh. Okay, so that pressure built up a lot, so it kind of spilled a little bit, but as you can see, that is our soda, you guys. And normally I would open this over the sink, but I just wanted you guys to see how fizzy it is. But you do want to put this in the refrigerator too before you go to open it, because that also will help with the fizziness. It'll keep the fizziness inside the bottle. But I wanted to go ahead and make this video, so I didn't pop mine in the fridge before opening it. All right, let's pour. And there you have it. You have your soda, and it's a healthy soda as well because probiotics are good for your gut and your stomach and your overall health. I hope you try this and enjoy it. So I did want to mention one other thing. When you are ready for more soda, all you need to do is just save a little bit of this soda and then add more juice. You don't have to repeat the whole whey process over again because this soda right now has probiotics in it. So the probiotics of this soda will be the starter for your next soda. So either keep a little bit to the side or leave a little bit in here and then just pour your juice in there for another bottle of soda.